In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to customize alerts or alert box in Streamlabs. So first of all, go to your Streamlabs and let's add a alert first of all. So I'm selecting alert box, clicking on add source once more, and here, as you can see from here, we can't customize the alert box. So after adding the alert box in your Streamlabs, go to your browser and you have to go to streamlabs.com. Once you are in your Streamlabs, sign into your account and click on dashboard. In dashboard, in this left-hand menu, you get alert box, click on that and then select the alert that you want to customize. In my case, I'm selecting YouTube alert box and clicking on preview, and here is the YouTube alert preview. Now from here you can just go ahead and easily customize your alert. So you can change your layout from here. As you can see, the preview, so this is perfect. And if you want to change your alert image, you can just click on this delete to remove the current image, and you can click on upload, and then from Streamlabs media gallery you'll be able to select a different image, or you can click on uploads, and from here you'll be able to upload your custom image from your PC. So in my case, I'm selecting a random image from stock. Let's select this one, clicking on select. Also here you can use image using the image address or link. And message template, you can just change these message template from here. Don't edit or remove this variable, just edit this part, and clicking on preview to see the new preview. Okay, now you can adjust your alert duration from here. You can add a text delay just like this, and here you get the sound box. From here you can change the sound the same way. You can delete the sound from here, and you can just go ahead and add new sound, and here you can adjust your sound volume. And this is the alert box font settings box. From here you can change your font family, you can change your alert box font size, font weight, you can change your text color, and if you want you can change your text highlight color. And here you get alert animation. You can change your alert animation from here. You can also add your fade in or fade out down, and you can also change text animation. Then click on preview to see your final preview. Okay, now just click on save settings, and that's it. This is how you can actually change alert for our Streamlabs.